Hi, I'm Julia from Fora Soft, and we develop ShortKlips. ShortKlips is a collaborative video editor that's used by Nokia and the World Bank. We created a platform that combines video editor and a marketplace together. People can edit their own videos or hire a professional through the platform to do that for them. Beyond standard editing, ShortKlips allows people to leave comments, draw on frames, and compare different versions of videos by overlaying them. We've integrated with OneDrive, Google Drive, LinkedIn, Dropbox, and Outlook so that it's easy to share and collaborate on videos. Plus, with Amazon Transcribe, users can automatically generate subtitles for videos in 30+ languages. And that's it for ShortKlips. If you need a custom platform to level up your business, reach out. We'll help.